Hello everyone. Today we will discuss RRB staff nurse pharmacologic MCQs practice set 5. Let's get started. Which of the following is used to treat gastroesophageal reflux disease GERD? Correct answer is B. Ranitidine. Ranitidine is an H2 blocker that reduces stomach acid secretion and is helpful in GERD. Next question. Which insulin is considered intermediate acting? Correct answer is D. NPH. NPH insulin has an onset of 1 to 2 hours and duration up to 18 hours, making it intermediate acting. Next question. Which drug class does acarbose belong to? Correct answer is C. Alpha glucosidase inhibitors. Acarbose delays carbohydrate absorption from the intestine, controlling postprandial glucose levels. Next question. Which corticosteroid has both glucocorticoid and mineralocorticoid activity? Correct answer is B. Hydrocortisone. Hydrocortisone has moderate glucocorticoid and mineralocorticoid properties useful in adrenal insufficiency. Next question. What is the primary function of vasopressin? Correct answer is C. Promote water reabsorption. Vasopressin ADH acts on the kidneys to increase water reabsorption and maintain blood pressure. Next question. Which of the following is a vitamin D analog used to treat hypocalcemia? Correct answer is B. Calcitriol. Calcitriol, active vitamin D3, increases calcium absorption from the intestine and is used in renal failure induced hypocalcemia. Next question. Which drug can cause arynglocytosis as a side effect? Correct answer is B. Methimazole. Methimazole can cause bone marrow suppression leading to arynglocytosis, which requires urgent attention. Next question. Which drug is given as a loading dose followed by maintenance for myocardial infarction prevention? Correct answer is B. Clopidogrel. Clopidogrel is often started with a loading dose followed by daily maintenance to prevent thrombosis. Next question. Which of the following drugs is contraindicated in asthma patients? Correct answer is C. Propranolol. Propranolol is a non-selective beta blocker that can worsen bronchoconstriction in asthma. Next question. Which drug is commonly used to prevent motion sickness? Correct answer is C. Dimenhydrinate. Dimenhydrinate is an antihistamine used to prevent and treat nausea, vomiting, and dizziness caused by motion sickness. Next question. Which insulin has the fastest onset of action? Correct answer is B. Insulin Lispro. Lispro is a rapid-acting insulin analog with an onset of action within 15 minutes after injection. Next question. Which oral anti-diabetic drug can cause lactic acidosis as a rare but serious side effect? Correct answer is A. Metformin. Metformin may cause lactic acidosis, especially in patients with renal impairment or dehydration. Next question. Which corticosteroid is most potent among the following? Correct answer is B. Dexamethasone. Dexamethasone is a highly potent glucocorticoid with minimal mineralocorticoid activity. Next question. Which hormone from the posterior pituitary causes uterine contraction and milk ejection? Correct answer is B. Oxytocin. Oxytocin stimulates uterine contractions during labor and milk ejection during breastfeeding. Next question. Which of the following drugs is used to treat hypercalcemia? Correct answer is C. Calcitonin. Calcitonin lowers serum calcium levels by inhibiting bone resorption. Next question. Which antithyroid drug inhibits both synthesis and peripheral conversion of T4 to T3? Correct answer is B. Propylthiouracil. PTU not only blocks thyroid hormone synthesis but also inhibits T4 to T3 conversion peripherally. Next question. Which of the following is a synthetic T4 hormone used in hypothyroidism? Correct answer is C. Levothyroxine. Levothyroxine is a synthetic form of thyroxine T4 used to treat hypothyroidism. Next question. Which antiplatelet agent is a glycoprotein IIB receptor antagonist? Correct answer is A. ABCXI map inhibits GPA receptors, preventing platelet aggregation during percutaneous coronary intervention. Next question. Which drug enhances gastric motility and is used as a prokinetic agent? Correct answer is C. Metoclopramide. Metoclopramide enhances gastrointestinal motility and is used for nausea and delayed gastric emptying. Next question. Which of the following drugs is used to treat allergic rhinitis? Correct answer is A. Mometasone. Mometasone is a corticosteroid nasal spray used to reduce inflammation in allergic rhinitis. Next question. Which of the following is a first line treatment for chronic asthma? Correct answer is D. Viclometasone. Viclometasone is an inhaled corticosteroid used as a first line therapy for long term asthma control. Next question. Which drug is used to treat hyperthyroidism in pregnancy? Correct answer is B. Propylthiouracil. Propylthiouracil is preferred during pregnancy, especially in the first trimester, to treat hypothyroidism due to its lower risk of teratogenicity compared to methimazole. Next question. Which of the following is a common side effect of thiazide diuretics? Correct answer is B. Hypokalemia. Thiazide diuretics can cause hypokalemia by increasing potassium excretion in the urine. Next question. Which of the following is an action of calcium channel blockers? Correct answer is B. Reduce myocardial oxygen demand. Calcium channel blockers relax the heart and blood vessels, reducing myocardial oxygen demand and controlling blood pressure. Next question. Which of the following is used in the management of hypercalcemia of malignancy? Correct answer is A. Calcitonin. Calcitonin is used to treat hypercalcemia, especially in malignancy, by inhibiting bone resorption. Next question. Which oral hypoglycemic drug works by inhibiting hepatic glucose production? Correct answer is A. Metformin. Metformin decreases hepatic glucose production and improves insulin sensitivity. Next question. Which of the following drugs is used to treat acute gout attacks? Correct answer is C. Colchicine. Colchicine is used to treat acute gout attacks by reducing inflammation caused by uric acid crystals in the joints.